According to The Times, and as reported by InsideBitcoins.com, the Bank of England has started hiring employees to work on its central bank digital currency, nicknamed Britcoin by British journalists. The central bank is planning to create a team of up to 30 people to work on the project. The Bank of England and the UK Treasury are said to be exploring the feasibility of introducing an official digital currency by 2030, which would be issued by the Bank of England and backed by the government. The Bank of England and the United Kingdom's Treasury have suggested the possibility that the CBDC would exist in tandem with cash, rather than replace it entirely. It's said that a digital pound issued by the Bank of England could provide a trustworthy, accessible, and easy-to-use alternative to cash. Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey stated that a digital pound would not only provide a new way to pay, but would also help businesses maintain trust in money and better protect financial stability. Despite the potential benefits of digital currencies, public opinion on CBDCs is generally negative due to fears around the loss of privacy and freedom. CBDCs could place too much power over individual finances in the hands of governments and central banks. Is this current work on CBDCs really just exploratory? Or is it merely the groundwork for implementation to meet the target of 2030? Share your thoughts in the comments and remember to subscribe for more.